3, 2, 1, start. 400, right 4 minus, long, then 400. Then left 6 over small crest, 200. Then right 6 plus long over crest, 150. Then right 6 over crest long, 400. Then long crest, 250. Then right 6 plus over small crest, 550. Then crest into right 5 plus, long. Then left 6 plus into small crest. Then right 6 long over small crest, 70, left 6, tightens 5 minus over rocks, then 70 small crest, 200. Then right 6 over small crest, over rocks, long, 400. Then right 6 over long, small crest, 70, right 5 minus long. Then left 6 long, kinks 250. Then left 6 plus over small crest, into right 6 plus, kinks 500. Long small crest into left 6 over ruts, long kinks 450. Then small crest into left 6, into right 6 over big jump. Then right 6 plus, 100. Then left 6 plus, 70, brake left 6 plus, into right 4 plus long.
No brakes.
Sorry, 100 right 3 minus, yep. Crest unseen, ruts.
I mean, it's kind of like it was before. Okay.
So I'm sorry, on left 4, no cut, tightens into right 6 over crest. Then left 4 minus into right 3 minus, into left 3. And then right 4 plus, opens over crest long, down into left 5 over small crest, 30, then left 5 short over crest off camber into right 4 minus, over small crest, into left 4 plus, 30, then small crest, 120, small jump, 120, then long crest, 180, and at the end of this, it's going to be that brake right 3 plus.
Yeah.
$70 into left 6, 50, right 6 plus, then right 5, into left 6, then left 5, loose starts, 2 miles to finish.
Okay.
70 jump, 100 jump, then left 6, and then left 6 short into right 6 long.
Okay.
Left 6 plus over small crest, into right 6 plus long off camber, all turns forward. Okay, so, and then right 6 off camber into left 6, then 50, then left 4 minus,
Yep.
into big ruts, slippy, loose ends, 120. Small crest, 20, right 5, tightens 4 minus, 50, then right 5 plus, long, off camber. Sorry, off. This is the off camber one.
This is the right 5.
150, 150, then left 5 plus, 600. Long small crest, 100. Then left 5 plus over crest, down deceptive into right 6.
We've got like no brakes.
Okay, so engine brake, and then
Yep.
there's a left 3 up here coming up,
Yep, I see it.
and then 350, and everything else is straight other than a right 3 minus.
Yeah, there's nothing.
It's out of fluid, yeah.
Yep. So, help me keep an eye out. If you see a car coming behind us, I'll pull over and let them
Yeah.
pass.
So this is the left 3 over crest, 350, I think, and then small crest, 70, and then jump, and this is all, and then at the end of this is a right 3 minus,
Yep.
and then everything else is straight.
Okay.